Monday.com tips and tricks. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you tips and tricks on Monday.com that I've learned along the way of using Monday.com. That what are some automations that we can do in order to customize our Monday.com experience and how we can save a lot of more time, get more productive on Monday. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is, of course, you will open up your Monday.com. If you're completely new person, if you are a beginner, then you can just sign up for Monday.com. The signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your email address or you can sign up with your Google account. Once you sign up, this is where you will get. And on Monday, we have a lot of different workspaces, we have boards. There's a lot of things that we can do on Monday.com, and it has a lot of different tips and tricks for us that we can use to actually save a lot of time and eliminate the hassle of little things that come our way. Now I have opened up the main workspace. This is like a default workspace that we get on Monday, and we get a lot of different workspaces right here on Monday. You can see I have these workspaces that I have created. So let's start with a brand new workspace so that I can show you each and everything from the start. To create a brand new workspace, we click on this add workspace button and we can give our workspace a name. We can also select a privacy, which is open and closed. Click on create workspace and your brand new workspace will be created on Monday. Now, when it comes to creating a workspace, we can edit our logos and we can add a professional logo as well. And we can change the color of our workspace in order to customize it. One of the things that you will need to remember is that each workspace has its own data. For example, if you have a big business, if you have a large team, you can create different workspaces for each of your team, and then you can, add different boards into it. You have created a workspace, then we can move on to different boards. When it comes to creating boards, I would suggest using a template, because when it comes to templates, we can use from hundreds of different templates. If you had no idea, simply go to the template center and it will allow you to explore from all of these different categories. So on Monday, we have marketing, content production, project management, documents, sales and CRM, freelancer, design, product management, HR, operations, education, real estate. So all of these are for different boards that we can go for. Let's go with simple project management. Then we have multi projects or we have agile projects. So I suggest selecting a multi project because it will allow you to make up a lot of different boards and you will be able to create a bundle of different projects. Simply click on this multi project right here, click on use template, and we're good to go. So this is our board right here on Monday. One of the first thing that I do on Monday is change the view, and that's what we can do with this plus button right here. Click on add view and we can actually choose from a lot of different views. Here we have table view, dashboard, chart, Kanban, Gantt, card form, and gallery. You can also go ahead and add more views if you want to. Click on more views and it will take you to the essential views available on Monday. A lot of people don't know this. We have a map view, timeline view, dashboard view. It will give us charts and pie charts, whatever we want to. Then we of course have the basic views that we get on Monday. So what I do is I actually add more views. Let's add Kanban view and it will be added right here. Similarly, I can go with table view and Gantt view. There you go. I changed it to Kanban view because I personally like this board view. So once you've added the view, you're good to go. Now we can, switch between different views and we will be able to get a more insights to our board that we have created. Another tip that I want to give you is the filters right here. Now you can go to filters and you can customize your own filters on Monday. It's unlocked with the upgrade plan, of course, and we can add our own customized filters. When it comes to creating a task, click on add task and give your task a name. Once a task is created, then you can click right here and you can change the statuses. You can create more statuses. Click on added label, add new label. Of course, you will give your label a name, and then I'm just going to call it in progress. There you go. Click on add label as well. You can delete the previous ones from this button here, and you can also move them if you want to. I'm gonna call this one important. So that's what I personally do. You can add more and more statuses right here, and it will allow you to select from them, and you can customize it the way you want to. Similarly, when it comes to a task, you can add the duration and you can add more fields as you like, of course, and it also comes with a template. So choosing a right template is also really important. Once you have a project, so what you can do is you can create multi projects within a board. So we have project alpha. Let's change this name to maybe rename the board, and I'm gonna call it project Z, and then let's go ahead and call this one editing team, and let's change the name for this one as well. So I have actually created a workspace for my YouTube channel, and I have added all of these different projects right here. And now I can just, switch between different projects, and I will be able to customize my monday.com experience. One of the other things that I like to do on Monday is that, let me quickly show you. If you go to your profile right here, you can change your theme to light, dark, and night. So I have selected dark. If you like to work in a dark mode like me, you can just select dark. If you like the light view, you can select it and it will change your monday.com. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly change it to dark. Similarly, if you click on this button right here, we can move on to integrations. So when it comes to integrations, this is one of the things that I really wanted to show you guys. What you can do is you don't need to create a new document every time, and you don't need to import data. You can just integrate a whole platform to your monday.com. We can integrate our Trello, Google Drive, MailChimp, Slack, Gmail, Outlook, Asana, Jira, all of the platforms available. Anything can be integrated within your Monday. You can integrate your LinkedIn, Stripe, Harvest, webbooks. So let's say that if you want to track time, you can add Harvest. If you want to add your Facebook, you can do so. We have Google Drive, we have calendars, and all of the different email marketing platforms as well. So you can go to the integration center and integrate any of the platforms here. Another thing that you can do is the automation. So automation is really important. What you have to do is go to automation center right here, and you will be able to automate your work. Automation actually means that you don't have to open up your platform every time you need to assign someone a task. So if you have any recurring tasks, if you have due dates, you can just go ahead and select from the categories. What I'm going to do is I will select status change, and then we have when all sub items of an item, when status change to something, change another status. So that's what I'm gonna do. You can select a different automations, such as when a task is assigned to someone, then this person will be notified. If you want to add a due date, then you can just use the automation section. Similarly, if we go to profile right here, we have import data. So you don't need to import your add new task every time. You can import your task from any other software that you're using. Similarly, we can add admins and team members, and we can add permissions. You can allow a team member to do something, and then you cannot allow someone else. You cannot give permissions to everyone. So that's how we customize our monday.com. And there's also a monday.com app available that you can download. We also get our own inbox. And inbox, what you can do is you can add different automations, such as when I was mentioned, or you can bookmark different things right here on Monday, so that every time you get notified if any change happens. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know all the tips and tricks to monday.com to help you with your monday.com experience. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.